Now let's talk about how to change your hopping feet. Your machine comes with two hopping feet. The first is the ruler foot, and the second is the open toe foot. The ruler foot is to use for everyday quilting and ruler work. The open toe foot is when you need greater stitch visibility, such as when you are micro quilting. To change your hopping foot, you will use your 2.5 millimeter hex tool. Using the long side of the tool, you will loosen the screw. Once the screw has loosened, the foot will fall off. Placing your new foot on the mount, you will then tighten the screw on the foot mount. If you have fabric or a quilt underneath your foot, you may need to lift the presser bar in order for there to be enough room to take off your foot. The easiest way to do that is to put your hex wrench in the screw and lift.